Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Today we are going to be showing you how to create an intro for YouTube videos with Canva for free. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to canva.com, this website right here, and then right in the search bar up here, type in YouTube intro. As you can see right down here, just click and let it load. And you will land on this page right here. As you can see, there are a lot of videos to choose from, so you can just scroll around and choose a video you want. But remember, the ones with the crown and the ones with the dollar sign can only be used when you upgrade. So for this video, let's choose this one right here. So we are just going to click on it and let it load. And you will land on the page like this. As you can see, this template is already looking good. So all we need to do is just to add some text and animation to it. If we press play, you can see that it plays very well. So what we are going to do next is to add a subscription button to this video by clicking right here on elements and then type in the search bar subscribe and hit enter. Let it load. Once done, just scroll down and choose the one that you are comfortable with. For this video, we are going to choose this red one right here. So just click on it and it will appear on the video as you can see. So all you need to do now is to resize it to fit the video. So resize and place it in the center in order to make it well organized. So next, if you want to change the color of a particular object in the video like this one, all you need to do is just to click on it and go up here and click here, and you can change the color on the left hand side by choosing the color of your choice. So for this video, let's choose red, and you can do the same for other objects in the video by just clicking on them and changing the colors. So you can follow the process and do it for all the other objects in the video. As you can see, we have changed a lot of the colors in the video. So the next thing is to add an animation to the video. So to add an animation to your video, all you need to do is to click on the subject that you want to add the animation to, and then click right up here on the three button right here, and then click on animation. And right on the left hand side, you will see all the animation to choose from. So our subject is this right here, which is shorts. So we are going to be animating it. So all we can do is click on all these animation buttons right here and check out the best one that works for us. So all we can do is click on all these animation buttons right here and check out the best one that works for us more better. So as you can see, whenever I click on a particular animation button, the subject changes effects. So all you need to do is to check for the best animation button that best describe your intro. And once you are done, you can play it and check it out. As you can see, it is playing out just fine. So the next thing is you can also change the text or customize it to your own taste, or you can even import your own logo in the video and play around with it. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to be adding a like and a bell icon. So I am going to click right here where it says see all. As you can see, it is recommended, or you can just go to the search bar and type in like icon or bell icon, but for this video we will just go with the recommendation. So click on see all, let it load, and right here you can click on the like icon and resize it and place it where you want it to be. So we are also going to click on the bell icon and resize it and place it where we want it to be. It is very easy, so take your time and place it where you want it to be. So once you are done and satisfied with your intro, you can go up here and click on download, and you will be able to download the video directly to your computer as an MP4 file. So guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.